Hi friends, this is Srinivas here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Cars Info. Friends, in this today's video topic, I'm going to talk about a technology which has been used in the engine, that is turbocharger. Basically in this video I'm going to talk about what is a turbocharger, what are the types of turbocharger which are present in the Indian automobile, and what is the benefit of having a turbocharger in a car. So to have ease of explanation, I'll be using a skateboard here, white skateboard. So before getting into this explaining about the working principle of turbocharger, so we should understand why the turbocharger has been installed in a vehicle and what is the intercooler. Basically it's correlated to each other. So right now I'm sitting, breathing normally. When I start walking on a steep slope or else I'm running, then you can see that our human body start to get there is a change in the breathing the breathing system. Along with the nostril we start breathing from our mouth, so which means that we need more oxygen to the body for two reasons, because as the body has a shortage of oxygen plus, and also our body tend to get heat up. To cool down that, we need a more oxygen inside the body, so that time a nostril or mouth will work coordinately simultaneously to give a more oxygen inside the body. So that means better breathing. See, this is the same concept which has been used in the automobile for the engine. That's why we have a turbocharger, which is a device, it's an external device which has been installed to give extra oxygen or the air to the engine for three conditions. Whenever the vehicle is driven on high speed, load or a steep road, that time when a driver puts a full throttle, you want a better engine response. That time turbocharger will kick in and it will provide that response, and you will have a more fun to drive experience without compromising on the other other features, factors like fuel efficiency and all. So to understand the turbocharger and its working principle, I have a skateboard here. So turbocharger, basically it is consist of two types. One is the fixed geometric turbocharger, other is the variable nozzle turbocharger, or variable geometric turbocharger. So based on the brand to brand it is used. Example, Toyota uses a variable nozzle turbocharger in its Fortuner and Innovas, and variable geometric turbocharger used in a lot of other brands, like it has been installed in Safari, XV500 or Kia, Seltos. So you can see different brands uses different turbocharger based on their requirement. Now I'll see it's a fixed geometric turbocharger, which means you can see here drawing here. So it is a vanes. So in the fixed, the vanes are fixed. So whatever the speed will be, the vanes will be fixed in that angle. So it means that at certain RPM only the turbocharger will start working. So it means you have a lot of turbo lag. To compensate on that, a lot of engineers have worked on it, and they came with advanced version of turbocharger, that is a variable geometric turbocharger, as its name implies, which means it's variable. So the vanes will change its angle based on the air flow. So when the flow is less, the vanes will get closer to give that intensity, the pressure to move the vanes. As the engines goes on increasing the speed, the vanes also start expanding to have a better air ratio. So based on the engine speed and requirement, so the benefit will be that even at the lower RPM also turbocharger will be activated. So that is the benefit of having a variable nozzle turbocharger, or variable geometric turbocharger. So here is the working principle, how it works. So we have a 4-cylinder engine or 3-cylinder engine. If it's a 3-cylinder engine, you have seen a lot of compact SUVs comes with the turbocharged engine, even in a diesel variant or the petrol variant, to compensate of that one engine to provide a better throttle response. So how it works? So this is one cylinder. We have an inlet valve, exhaust valve. So once the 4-stroke happens, the exhaust gas comes out from here. As it leaves the exhaust pipe, it has certain intensity. Previously that intensity used to go waste. Now what engineers have done, they have added a turbine here. So we have two fans here. So it will be opposite direction. So here, once the intensity, when the exhaust gas moves out of this pipe, it starts rotating. So you have, everybody knows there is exhaust fan inside our house or in the kitchen. What is the purpose is that to get out that impure air from the kitchen to outside, throw out. If you see, if you that exhaust fan works inversely, which means it sucks the fresh air and get inside the room. So it does the same thing here. It once it rotates, it also start rotating. So because of that, it sucks up a fresh air. So you can see once it gets sucked up, it has that air temperature get increases. So the density is very thin. If that air is directly sent to the engine, it is not good for the engine. It affects the engine performance. So if we have cool the engine, that air density increases, the burning won't happen. The compression stage will be not effective. It should be kept in such a way that it provides a better compression and a better burning, so that it has a better power. And so it is the intercooler here. It has been mapped in such a way that it is tuned in such a way that it cools the air in, extra air is coming here, so it gives a better breathing to the engine. That is the main function of a turbocharger, to give a better breathing. And the benefits are, it has a better engine performance, obviously, because it's as the engine breathing is more, the wear and tear will be less, the durability of the engine increases, and we all love to have a better fuel efficiency. Also it provides a better fuel efficiency. Along with that, because we are all love to drive a car, we want to have a better fun to drive experience. It also has a better engine response, low torque at low speed also, and high power at high speed. So it's depend on the engine requirement. Turbocharger adjusts its vanes, so you have a better engine response, and also reduces the turbo lag when you compare to the previous generation of turbochargers. And also when the burning happens properly, it also helps in reducing the emission level, and it also has a eco-friendly. So this is the benefit of having a turbocharger in your vehicle, and it is you can say that it is also gives a better response. If you have to sum it up or summarize this, so generally what happens, the turbocharger will start activate or kicks in at certain RPM. So certain brands also uses a twin stage turbocharger like Mahindra and MG Gloucester. MG comes with that twin stage turbocharger, which means that 0 to 1500 RPM they will have a small turbo, and 1500 to above they will have a bigger turbo. So in the slow, when the RPM is low, the lower fans will start rotating. Once it reaches beyond that level, the big fan will start rotating, so that the lag of the turbo has been minimized to give a better engine performance. So basically this is about the turbocharger. So I hope this video is very informative, and try to be very simple, make you understand why turbocharger has been installed in a vehicle, and what is the benefit of having a turbocharger, and types of turbocharger which has been used by different brands. And if you still have any doubt in related to turbocharger, please kindly comment me in the comment box. Till then, thank you, Jai Hind, be safe.